Hey, this is just for fun. I'm going to be turning the crank on this little 1zz-FE engine so you can see the pistons going up and down. Piston number 1, closest to the timing chain, is on the left. Piston number 4 is on the right. And the piston, or the biggest problem, is piston number 2 that is just going back down now. And when it comes up again, I'm gonna bring it all the way up and close in on it, and you can see what happens to these little guys after they run for a little while. They get all kinds of sludge and carbon deposited on them. I had to take this one apart for another reason, but I'm glad that I did, because I'm finding that there's all kinds of other stuff that I can correct here. Okay, this is an engine out of a 2003 Pontiac Vibe, but it's basically the same engine that you find in a Toyota Corolla or a Toyota Celica, the GT model, not GTS, or also in the Toyota Spider MR2. Alright, so that's it.